Have you ever wondered how the world maintains peace and security in a diverse landscape of nations and cultures? The answer lies in a powerful international organization, the United Nations. Founded in the aftermath of World War II in the year 1945, the United Nations, or UN, was birthed from the urgent need for a body that could foster international cooperation and prevent future conflicts. Today, its objectives, as defined by its charter, include maintaining international peace and security, protecting human rights, delivering humanitarian aid, promoting sustainable development, and upholding international law. The structure of the United Nations is quite unique, designed to encompass a broad range of international issues. It is composed of 5 principal organs. Firstly, we have the General Assembly, the main deliberative and policy-making body of the UN. Every member state, currently 193, has a seat and a vote in the General Assembly. Here, all nations, large and small, have an equal voice in shaping the policies of the international community. Secondly, there's the United Nations Security Council, often referred to as the UNSC. This body has the primary responsibility for maintaining international peace and security. With 15 members, 5 of which are permanent and hold veto power, the Security Council has the unique ability to issue binding resolutions on member states. The third organ is the Economic and Social Council, also known as ECOSOC. This body coordinates the economic, social, and related work of the 14 United Nations, specialized agencies, and 5 regional commissions. Next, we have the International Court of Justice, based in The Hague, Netherlands. This is the principal judicial organ of the UN. It settles legal disputes between countries and gives advisory opinions on legal questions referred to it. Lastly, there's the UN Secretariat, led by the Secretary General, the Chief Administrative Officer of the organization. The Secretariat carries out the day-to-day work of the UN, implementing its programs and policies. There used to be a 6th principal organ, the Trusteeship Council, which suspended operations in 1994 upon the independence of Palau, the last remaining UN trustee territory.
Do you know where the headquarters of the United Nations is located? It's in New York, USA, and it's not alone. In fact, several other international organizations share the same city as their base of operations. Let's dive into the world of international organizations and explore where they are headquartered. First, let's take a look at the United Nations Organization. United Nations Children's Emergency Fund, United Nations Population Fund, UN Women, and United Nations Security Council. All of these important organizations operate from New York, USA. Moving on, the International Monetary Fund and World Bank Group have chosen Washington, D.C., United States as their headquarters. In Geneva, Switzerland, you'll find a host of organizations including the World Health Organization, International Labour Organization, International Committee of the Red Cross, World Trade Organization, World Meteorological Organization, World Intellectual Property Organization, International Organization for Standardization, and UNAIDS. Paris. France is home to the United Nations Educational, Scientific and Cultural Organization and the Organization for Economic Cooperation and Development. Vienna, Austria, houses the United Nations Industrial Development Organization, International Atomic Energy Agency, and the Organization of Petroleum Exporting Countries. In London, United Kingdom, the International Maritime Organization, Commonwealth of Nations and Amnesty International have their headquarters. The Food and Agricultural Organization operates from Rome, Italy. The North Atlantic Treaty Organization calls Brussels, Belgium home. The Universal Postal Union is based in Bern, Switzerland. Moving towards the east, the Association of Southeast Asian Nations is headquartered in Jakarta, Indonesia, and the Asia-Pacific Economic Cooperation operates from Queenstown, Singapore. Transparency International is based in Berlin, Germany, while the International Renewable Energy Agency calls Abu Dhabi in the UAE home. From Kathmandu, Nepal, the South Asian Association for Regional Cooperation operates. The Organization of Islamic Cooperation is based in Jeddah, Saudi Arabia, and the Indian Ocean Rim Association for Regional Cooperation operates from Ebene, Mauritius. The Worldwide Fund for Nature is based in Gland, Switzerland, while the International Union of Pure and Applied Chemistry operates from North Carolina, USA. The Organization for the Prohibition of Chemical Weapons is based in The Hague, the Netherlands. The International Olympic Committee operates from Lausanne, Switzerland, while the World Economic Forum is based in Cologne, Geneva, Switzerland. The list goes on with numerous other organizations spread across